So did I try to put green coloring in my hair? Yes. Did I also ignore the first step, which was to wear gloves? Yes. So I currently have green fingers. Let's just pretend that I don't. And every time I touch my hair, I get green hands. So I need to not do that. So instead, let's do our makeup. We're going to start off with our eyes. I'm going to prime them with my, just rearranging my desk a little, Sigma eyeshadow base in Ignite. You have probably seen me do this a million times, but you just want to scribble it all over your eyelid. Then go in with a blending sponge and just blend it out so that it's nice and even. Okay, so for eyeshadow, I'm going to mostly use the Jawbreaker palette by Jeffree Star. That's why I applied a tacky eye base, because without it, the eyeshadows do not stick to your eye. But I'm going to start off with Cone. I almost said Cork. It's sort of a light peachy shade. We are going to use it when I find my brush. We are going to use it as our transition shade, so you just want to take a little bit on a fluffy blending brush. This is a Sigma E40. Blend out any creasing before you apply the eyeshadow. And I'm just going to blend this into my crease as our transition shade. So I am going to blend it quite high up because we are using purples. This will hopefully not make it look like we have a black eye. Okay, so the next eyeshadow we're going in with is Gumdrop, which is the pastel purple. So we just want to blend this into our crease as well, but we don't take it as high up as we did with Cone. Still with Gumdrop, I'm just taking some on a flat shader brush, and I'm going to pack this onto the outer half of my eyelid. As you can tell, I'm not being particularly neat with the edges because, as usual, I always do my eyeshadow first. That way I can clean up the eyeshadow before I go in with my foundation. So I'm just switching back to that blending brush and making sure that purple is blended. Next up, I'm just switching to a clean blending brush. This is another Sigma E25 brush. And I'm gonna take a teeny little bit of Bite Me. It's a very shimmery, deep purple. And I just wanna blend a little bit into my outer V, just for some more definition. Next up, we are going to half cut our crease. I'm going to take the NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Light 1. And yeah, just half cut my crease with this. You can totally do a full cut if that suits your eyes, but it really doesn't suit mine, so we're doing half. Our crease is half cut. Now I'm going to take a white eyeshadow. I am going to use Taco by Sugar Pill. I know the Jawbreaker palette does have a white shade in it, but I cannot get it to work for the life of me. It's just so sheer. If you guys have any tips, well, let me know. So I'm just going to take a bit of Taco just on this same MAC 231 brush. I believe it's a lip brush, but it's just a really small, precise brush. And I'm going to pack this onto the first half-ish of where we cut our crease. This white is a bit chalky, maybe because this palette is 5 years old and you're not supposed to keep palettes past like 2 years. But if anyone has a recommendation for a good white matte eyeshadow, let me know in the comments. And please don't say the James Charles palette because I have that one too. And next up, I'm just going to go back in with Gumdrop on that flat shader brush. I'm just going to sandwich it between the white and the purple to blend it. Awesome, so I'm just going to leave the eyeshadow like this for now and go in with some eyeliner. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex liquid liner, and I'm just going to line my top lash line. This will look so pretty with a wing, so if you're confident with a wing, go ahead and add one. We'll just let that dry and I'll fix it. Okay, I just popped some concealer over the really thick line and then went in with the eyeshadow again and it's fixed. So now for mascara, I'm just gonna use my Benefit Roller Lash, and we just want to add some to our top eyelashes. And don't poke yourself in the eye. Damn it, I did it again! Oh. Now I am gonna go in with some false lashes. The lashes I'm gonna use are the Ardell 778 lashes. I'm not having a good day. Lashes are on. Now let's clean up all this like mess and fallout so we can do our base. I'm just gonna grab some micellar water and just take some on a cotton pad and yeah, just wipe away anything that isn't supposed to be there. Moving on to primer. I need a burp, excuse me. That's kind of gross. Moving on to primer. I'm just gonna use the Beauty Blender Opal Essence Serum Primer. And we just wanna apply this to our face. Next up is foundation. I'm going to use the Born This Way foundation. This is the shade Light Beige. I am a bit paler than what I normally am. I normally take golden beige, warm beige, one of those. So hopefully this matches me. It'll do. So I know the original Joker has like a white face, but this is a glam Joker, so we have healthy glowing skin. So now for concealer, I'm just going to use my Tarte Shape Tape. It's my favorite, okay? It just makes my under eyes look so flawless. So I'm just gonna put some under my eyes and blend that out again with my beauty blender. Oh my god, I get so many comments being like, blender. I'm sorry, I'm Australian. It's how we pronounce things. Beauty blender. Beauty blender. Potato. You guys know what I'm saying. Okay, to set that concealer and stop it from creasing, I'm just gonna go in with the Too Faced Banana Powder. This has some name. Banana Cream Setting Powder. It's a banana powder. And it smells like banana lollies. So I'm just taking some on a Sigma F35 brush and patting that on. Next up, I'm just going to set the rest of my face with the NYX No Filter powder. This is the shade Light Beige. Ooh, it's getting everywhere. This is just going to stop the foundation sliding off my face. Now for bronzer, I'm going to use this IT Cosmetics palette. This is Je ne sais quoi. And I'm just going to use the bronze shade. So I'm just going to use that to bronze up my face on a Sigma F40 brush. This Joker is so bronzed. It's summer in Gotham. You know, the Joker's got a nice tan. I haven't actually seen the new Joker movie, but I want to. I'm getting green on my brush from my hair. Maybe putting green hair chalk in my hair wasn't the best idea. It's also why I'm wearing black instead of purple or white, because it gets everywhere. Then for blush, I'm just going to go in with the blush shade from this palette and apply some to my cheeks. And yeah, just going to go in with a highlighter shade from this palette as well and highlight my face. Oh, this is a really pretty highlighter. I'm going to highlight the center of my face as well. Now, before I finish off my eyes, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So I kind of want to do green eyebrows, but I'm wondering how green do I want to go? Because my hair is like brown with green in it, but do I want like proper green eyebrows? Because I had that. This is the Whiteout Long Wear Pomade by Kat Von D. Do I want to put this in my eyebrows and then go over the top of it with a green? I think I do. Okay, I've just got a Sigma brow brush and I'm gonna go over the top of my eyebrows with this white pomade. Is this how my eyebrows are gonna look when I'm an old lady? How crazy do I look? Okay, I cleaned up my white eyebrows. Now for the green shade. Will I look like a Christmas ornament with this green? I think I'm going to use the Sugar Pill Green in the shade Midori. So yeah, I'm just dipping my angled brush into the green and away we go. This is actually giving me major Beetlejuice vibes. Maybe it's because I'm also wearing black. But yeah, I guess you could totally do this as like a Beetlejuice makeup look as well. Okay, so I did end up going in with the shade 805 from the Dream Street. No, that's Kathleen Lights. The Dream palette by Sigma, just to tone down the brightness of my brows a little bit, make it match my hair a bit better. Now for our eyes, we want to start off by taking Cone on a pencil brush and just smudge that into our lower lash line. And I am going to take this down pretty far. Then we just want to grab a bit of gumdrop on another pencil brush and smudge this into our lower lash line as well. Then just grab a teeny tiny bit of Bite Me and just blend that into the outer corner so it matches the top eyeshadow and don't get it in your eye. Ooh, that's a bit burny. Lovely. So for my brow bone highlight, I'm going in with a Jawbreaker. I'm just gonna pop some underneath the eyebrow. And I am just gonna pop a little bit on my inner corner as well. Okay, so I really wanna I don't know what that was. I really want to glam up this look. So I'm going to grab some glitter glue and glitter. I'm just going to take some of the Too Faced glitter glue on a pencil brush. Just pop it on that inner area. Then this is an Asos glitter. It's just a light purple shade. And I just want to take a little bit. Oh, but we're not done. I'm also grabbing this glitter from Glitter Palace. So I'm just gonna grab some more glitter glue just with my finger. Now for my waterline, I really wanna add a green liner, but turns out the only one I have is this Rimmel one and it's too dark for what I envision. So I'm just gonna make things complicated and grab this Tarte liquid liner in Mint. And I'm gonna start off by applying this to my waterline. There's so much glitter everywhere. And then I'm going to go in with the green from the Jawbreaker palette. It's the shade Sour. And just press this into my waterline as well. Then to finish our eyes, we just want to add some mascara to our lower lashes. Okay, I think all we have left to do is our lips. Now the Joker typically has like that red clown mouth. Glam Joker ain't gonna do that. I'm gonna start off by lining my lips with the Kat Von D lip liner in Outlaw. And the lipstick I'm gonna use is the Rimmel Lasting Finish Extreme Lipstick in the shade 520 Dat Red. So depending on how glam you want to be, you can totally leave your look like this, but I'm thinking I want to smudge the lipstick and it's all over my teeth. Is this something that I really want to do? I think so. Please don't ruin my makeup. And so here we have our glam Joker look. I hope you guys like it. I really like it. Now, if you do recreate this, don't forget to tag me on Instagram because like I said in my other Halloween videos, Halloween doesn't exist for me this year. I fly back from LA on the 30th and then get to Australia on the 1st. So just poof, it doesn't exist. So if you recreate this look and tag me on Instagram, then I get to experience Halloween through you. Yeah? And I have lipstick all over my teeth. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you would like to see more videos from me. Have an amazing Halloween and stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!